So another great question type, I'm going to add another question, is matching. So this is where you students are going to pair certain words together. So I'm just going to give an example where I'm going to have my students match the following key leader with the lead teacher that supports that key. So we have four keys. So I'm going to add four answer options that students need to do. On the left side, I'm going to put the key leaders in. So Yoakley, Black, Norton, and Davis. And then I'm going to put the correct answer that matches. So when the student sees the screen, they will be shuffled. So Yoakley is with Hannah Jacobson. Nicole Black is with Felicity Swafford. Norton is with Doug James. And Davis is with Jill Harry. And then I can put in distractors. So if I wanted to include other names that don't match, that don't have a correct answer, I can put those in. So it's not just a straight up 1-to-1 ratio. Again, I can put in my answer comments. And since there are four matches, I'm going to make this out of 4 points. And so update that question.